Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my order from the Happy Planner. I got 2 mystery bags and a mystery washi bag, and I haven't opened these yet, so I can't wait to see what's inside. If you want to see that, stick around. Okay, so first off, let me just tell you, I was not going to get these mystery bags at all because, let's face it, I have a lot of Happy Planner supplies and I obviously don't need anything, especially nothing that's like a new release. I got FOMO, I guess. I don't know. I was sitting there one night, and yes, it was after a big glass of wine, and I was just like, I can't do it. And I knew it would make a good video because everybody likes to see what's in mystery bags, right? And I was like, well, I can make a video. So I'm going to order them. So I got the wellness bag and I got the home bag and then I got the washi bag. So I'm excited to see what's in here. And I purposely did not watch any flip throughs or openings of the bags because I really wanted to be surprised. I don't know if all the bags are the same or if they're different, but I want to see what's inside myself. And it's so exciting just to get a bag full of like mystery stuff. So let's see what's in here. So this is the wellness bag here. All right, I'm just going to pull out one thing at a time. Oh, wait, it's all wrapped together. Never mind. Ooh, okay. I can already see something I don't have, which makes me happy. Like, I always want to get things that I don't have. Let's open this up. I think I got suckered in by the stickers because I can always use stickers, and it was such a good deal. It was like $34.99 for all this stuff, and like, you can't beat that at all. Okay, so first up, we have a Happy Notes. I actually have this one. This is the one that I do have, and it's a big Happy Notes. They don't make too many of these big ones, but yeah, I have this one, and maybe I'll do a giveaway. I don't know, but this is a really nice one. I love this cover. It's like holographic. Really, really cute. Oh, wait, but this one's different. Hold up. This one comes with stuff. Mine doesn't. Mine's just the Happy Notes I bought at Joann or something back when Happy Notes first came out. This comes with stickers. Yeah. And a folder. Mine didn't come with all that. Okay, good. At least that's something new. Okay, let's see what's next. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have big filler paper, which I can always use for sure. I really like the ones that are colored, so that's fun. That'll be useful. Next up, we have some Habit Tracker half sheets. And sticker rolls, which I really don't use. I'll be honest, like the sticker rolls, like I know there's so many stickers in here, but for me, it's like I never think to look at it because I'm always looking at my value pack stickers. So I don't know if I'm going to use this or give it away. Like my thought is, since I'm not reaching for them, I might give this away. I mean, you get a lot of stickers in this and they're really functional stickers, so they're good, but I don't think I'm going to use it. But that's okay because I have a lot of people I could be giving it to. I've got stickers on my desk from a marathon planner session a little while ago. Okay. Okay, so we have some classic silver metal discs, always useful. And then we have the stickers. Okay, I don't have this one. This is the wellness. Ooh, there's 3 things. Okay. So I do have this wellness value pack. I don't have this though, and I really like the accessory books because it gives you stickers in here that like you're not gonna, let me just look at it really quick. It's like the same type of stickers and some of them are exactly the same, but then you get other ones that aren't like the same as in here. So that's good because it's going to coordinate with that book. So sometimes if I'm doing a spread with like the value pack, I'll just pull out the accessory book with it. Yeah, see there's stuff in here I haven't seen. So I like having these to use along with this, like in conjunction for a spread. So I'm excited about this. And then we have a Be Well little sticker pack, and I do not have this. These are just little icon stickers for wellness. Okay, cool. So that's good. There was some stuff I didn't have, which, you know, is always helpful. Okay, next up, let's take a break and look at the washi pack, because I don't want that to be last, because I feel like that's not as exciting as the home one. So half of me got it for the bag because I think this bag is so cute and it's like holographic. I just really liked it, and I thought I could use it for whatever, like pens or even makeup or something. I just thought it was really cute, and it would make a good like picture, like for a prop. I don't know. So let's see what washi tape I got. Oh, good. It's all skinny, which is very much appreciated. I have never seen this pack. I have all of these, but they packaged it a little bit different. They put them all together. So it looks like this. Whoops. I'm trying to be in the frame here. It looks like this. And then this one is like this. And I have both of these. Like, I have all of these, but I can always use more skinny washi because I do go through it, especially the scallop ones and like the black and white polka dots and stuff like that. I use those a lot. So I'm happy to get these. And I do love skinny washi. And I love this little bag. Oh, and we got that. It's just really super cute. Oh my gosh, look, it's see-through. That's so super cute. I like that a lot. Okay, next up, let's look at the home bag. That's the one I'm most excited for, actually. Home is wherever you are. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Let's get... Oh, look at the lemons. Yay, I do not have that one. Sorry for the noise. Okay, let's see what's here. We have some black discs, medium discs. Next up, we have the recipe accessory book. I do have this, but I really like this for like my recipe planner spreads. And sometimes I wish I had a sticker that I didn't have before, so I might keep this. I might give it away. I don't know. And then we have the budget tiny sticker pad. I'm not sure if I have this one or not. I tend to forget about my tiny sticker pads. I do use them sometimes, but I could certainly use the budget one because I'm really going to be trying next year to be budgeting a little bit better. Okay, next up we have some closet sticker labels, and this is nice because I do need to organize my closet. I am going to be moving my bedroom upstairs and working out of this room for studio. That's all happening like within the next couple months. So I'm going to be reorganizing everything. So this actually will be really useful. Then we have the original household sticker book, always a fave. I can always use these. These are very functional stickers. We have the household accessory pack. I do not think I have this one. Again, accessory packs are kind of something I forget to reach for sometimes, but they're so useful. And when I do reach for it, I'm always like, why don't I ever look at these? So I'm happy to add that one to my collection. We have some half sheet paper with things to do, places to go, important reminders, and a really pretty color palette. I like that. I've never seen this one. Okay, so we have a meal planner dry erase board, which I'm not a big fan of the dry erase boards. I don't really use them much in my planner, so this might be a giveaway item. And then we have the household extension pack. There's a lot in these. This is like a really good value, you guys. Like, I mean, it's a really good value. Because this alone was like, I forget how much this was when it came out, like $24.99 or something. I don't know. I do have this one, so I might get this one away. We'll see. And then last but not least, we have this lemon Happy Notes. And that is so cute with the yellow discs. Oh my gosh, I love those discs so much. And I'm going to like having this just so I can put spreads like with yellow in it on these discs for a photo. Like, just so cute. Yeah, and this is like a classic size. So that is a lot of stuff for how much did I pay? Like $70, like a lot of stuff. So I'm really stoked about this. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. And I guess I'll just see you in my next video. But yeah, let me know what your favorite thing I got was. All right. See ya. Bye.